Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this video in which we are going to solve this problem. It's a simple math problem, and as presented by John in this video, the link is given here. So it's a wonderful presentation. He has covered everything what a student of math should do in order to solve simple math problems, right? So he has very much he has nicely covered everything, sir. What I am doing, going to draw your attractions in it is that let's do the same on using the Excel, right? So while applying the Excel, we got to do exactly the things which John explained. That read the question at least twice or thrice so that you know that what is the question exactly. Sometimes you make the things wrong because you do not understand the problem. The problem is simple, although the simplest problems become complicated by not understanding the words and not understanding the the requirement of the question, right? So it is the good way is that you read the question at least twice or thrice, right? And make sure that you understand what is being asked, right? The next is you apply the algebraic function since the question is talking about some value of lot, the cost value of the lot, right? A house and the lot cost in all overall cost is $270,000. The house cost 5 times
Let's
as
test
much
ourselves
as the
about our
lot
learning.
cost.
So there are the two questions we
So,
can answer.
so
Both
we
in
have
Excel
to
is a
have
tool
the
that
two components.
helps you
First
find
is
the
the
output value
house
in a
cost,
formula
the
for which
house,
you already
right?
know the input,
So in which
or
is
helps you find the input value
5 times
in a
of the
formula
x,
for
which
which you
available
already
is
know
the
the
x,
output
right?
of output, right?
And
Yeah.
the second component is
Or it
the
helps you
lot.
find
This
the
we have
minimum
to
value
find,
in a formula for
right?
which you already know
So
that,
this is
or the
x,
maximum value in a formula.
and
So
we
the
in
right
the
answer is
beginning we
this.
do not know
Okay.
what is the.
So
Let's
let's
put
go
one in
to the
here.
next question.
Okay.
The next question, goal seek is the tool
So
located where? And
1
data
plus 5 is equal to
analysis,
6,
yeah,
right? So this
and
is
solve
simple
no. Okay.
addition
And
of
data
these two
forecast
things.
and what if analysis.
It will
Data
always be equal
forecast
to
and
this.
what if analysis. And data
Whatever the
analyze
value of
and
x
data analysis.
is going
Data
to be,
analyze
say
and data
4,
analysis. No. Okay. Or data
so
analyze.
this will
So the right
always
answer
be
is data forecast and what if
the
analysis. That is going to
the
take you to the so
the
right answer
green
is this.
highlighted cell will always
Okay.
be the
Thank you very
total
much
of
for
these
watching.
two.
See you in our next presentation.
Okay. So this is what we say that using the concept of variable. We have two variables. This is the variable x, and x is always 5 times of the x, right? X is actually the cost of the lot, right? And 5 times of the x is the cost of the house, and addition, and then adding these two into this is the total cost. And this has to be set to 270,000, not 24. Okay, so let's go to the goal seek. And Excel provides you this wonderful tool. In the what if analysis, so you will find the goal seek in here, right? Which first of all ask you that what cell you want to set. We want to set this cell to a value. This cell has to be set to what value? $270,000. Okay, $270,000. And by changing what? The changing of x, right? This is our x, right? Okay, so we have named it. There's a k1. We can also write k1 here. Okay, that would also, but we have named it for readability and understanding purposes. It's x. Okay, so okay. So click OK. So this will work out for you the solution. So x value has come to 45,000. Okay, the target value has achieved because we set it to this value, and this is 5 times of the x. Right? Why it is not k1 here? It is only x because we have named it as x. You can name any cell. You select that cell and give it a name. For example, my y. This is y. Okay, so now you have different. As soon as you want to go to y or x, you can go to X or Y, like this. Let's go to X. So the cell will be highlighted. So you are on X, right? So that X is shown here as a house. This is the cost of house, huh? House cost. Yeah. And this is, of course, the lot's cost. Yeah, the cost of the lot is this. So, and the question was, well, what is the cost of the lot? The cost of the lot as determined as this, shown by at worked out, as worked out by goal C for you is the 45,000, right? So, so this is the answer of this question, and this way you have use the algebraic equation that 5x plus x is equal to $270,000. So this equation is being solved by means of goal seek, and in the goal seek, it has it kept changing this. Yeah? In the goal seek, you are being asked three things. The first thing is that which cell do you want to set to some value? Of course, we want to set the total value to be there. So we set it here. And what value you want to set? So here you are going to set the value $270,000. And what cell you want to be changing on? So the dependent cell is X. Right? The value of X will keep on changing, and it will come up with this solution. Okay. So thank you very much for joining me in this, and thanks to John for the nice presentation. And I look forward to your participation in our further upcoming videos, in which we will be solving day-to-day students' problem of math, physics, and chemistry, and so many others. You can apply Excel in that. So I will be focusing of use of Excel in your student life would so that would help you a lot in your studies. And I also provide you a database in which you can which you can use for self-testing. You test yourself uh, for the MCQs, and you can like goal seek MCQs and this. So thanks for joining me, and I look forward to your participation in our upcoming videos. Thanks a lot.